2050, the future of mobility doesn't roll, it walks. Introducing the Kawasaki CORLEO, a next-generation, all-terrain quadruped machine. Forget wheels. This isn't your average trail bike. This is a fully robotic mount, engineered with 4 cybernetic legs to leap, climb, and stride where no motorcycle dares to go. Unveiled at the Kansai International Expo in Osaka, CORLEO isn't just a concept. It's a living, breathing prototype, powered by a hydrogen fuel cell engine. No emissions, no noise, just pure mechanical grace. It moves like a panther. It reacts like a machine. It obeys like a loyal steed. You don't just ride it, you command it. Perched on a saddle gripping the joystick-style handlebars, you become the pilot of this biomechanical beast. Its limbs are designed with AI-driven joint articulation, mimicking the organic movement of animals, dogs, cats, horses, all fused into a single cyber creature. Imagine crossing shattered landscapes, vaulting boulders, scaling inclines, all while balanced in the cockpit of a machine that thinks, reacts, and adapts. This is not a motorcycle. It's a revolution in motion. Some will resist, some will embrace. But one thing is clear, the era of wheels is evolving, CORLEO is coming. Subscribe to Lux Auto X, where machines meet imagination. The future rides here.